Hello, this is Robert with CGS. In this short video, I'm going to be showing you our Room Views tool, which is part of the CGS Revit Tools. In this drawing, I have a model here. And what I want to do is I want to create some elevation views and a plan view of a specific room. So to do this, we're going to come up to the CGS Revit Tools tab on the ribbon. We're going to go to the View panel. And we're going to select Room Views. The selection dialog box comes up. And what I want to do is I want to use this 101 kitchen and dining. So I want to create some elevation views and a plan view of that room. So I'm going to select OK. The Room Views dialog box comes up. And it's split into two different areas here. This top area is going to create me the plan view. So if I just want to create a plan view of the kitchen and living, this is what I do here. So I'm going to say create views from the rooms from the active view. Down at the bottom area is the elevations. So I want to create some elevations of this kitchen and dining. Now here in the middle area it says the elevation type, so I'm going to go building elevation. Then we got naming parameters, and so right now I have it already set up. I want a number, I want a space, then I want the name, then I want to have a space, and then the level it's on. Now if I want to show you how to do this, I'm going to go ahead and just delete these here. And we'll go ahead and delete that and that. So what I want to do is I'd say, yeah, let's start out and let's throw in a room number. So there's the number, and I'll add. Then I want to put in a space here. So I'm going to go string, and I'm going to go add, and I'm just going to go space. So I'm going to go room number, space, and then I'm going to go room name. And I'll hit add. Okay? And I can keep going with this, add a space, and then the level or whatever. And we can do the same thing for the plan view. And right now I've got it set on the name. Now I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Over here in my tree view, under level 1, if I expand that out, I've got a view in there called kitchen and dining. So I'll double click on that, and there we can see I've now got a view of the kitchen and dining. If I come down to my elevations, I've got kitchen and dining, and then I've got 1, 2, 3, and 4 here, so I could double click on that, and there it shows me an elevation of the kitchen and dining. Now I'm going to show you one other thing here. So I'm going to go to my 3D view. I'm going to run this command in the 3D view. So I'm going to come back up to the ribbon, to the CGS Revit Tools tab. I'm going to go to the View panel, and I'm going to select Room Views. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go Kitchen and Dining, and I'm going to go OK. This time I'm going to uncheck the bottom here, Create Elevations Views from Room. And what I'm going to do here, also now I can create a perspective view. Because I'm in 3D, I'm going to create this perspective view. I'm going to go OK. So if I come into my tree view here now, under the 3D views, I have a kitchen and dining view here. So if I double click on this, so here's my perspective view. I'm going to turn on the shading. This concludes this short video on room views.